Hey guys, in the previous lessons we started learning how to create our WordPress loops. We learned what a loop is and the benefits of using it within WordPress themes. It's essential that we have it all ready before we start working on the web store. This loop was responsible for creating this section here, which shows our post, or this list of posts on the blog page. In this lesson, we'll learn how to make some pages look different, since not all our pages will look the same. As a reminder, in the last lesson, we still had a problem. When we visit the About page, or the Contact page, we have all these areas here that only make sense in the home page. We have to find a way to get rid of it. The home page will be quite different from other pages. So it will feature several sections related to the store's products and a news section. And the About page, for instance, will not have any of that. How are we going to do this? For that, I will introduce you to a very interesting WordPress concept called page templates. There are two ways to create them. One of them is to create new PHP files with the name of our pages. For example, if I want to create a specific page just to load the About page so that it looks totally different from the others, I could create a specific file only for the About page. The same goes for the Contact page and our home page too. To achieve this, I would have to create a PHP file whose name would start with the word page, followed by a hyphen, and then the slug of the admin page. For example, for the home page, it would be page-home.php. Let me give you a practical example by creating this file. Now, if I write anything in here, when we access the home page of the theme, look here, the file we just created is the one that controls the appearance of this page now. If I copy the contents of the index.php to this file, you see that we'll get back to the look we had before. But I can make changes to this PHP template file, removing a few things. For example, I'm gonna remove these sections here. And now we have a slightly different look. The same goes for the other pages. If I want to create a different look for the About page, I would create a file called page-about.php. I just have to be careful because that will only work if the page slug is really about. Otherwise, it won't work. However, one drawback of this first type of page templates is that it's not reusable. What does that mean? It means that a file called page-about.php only controls, so to speak, the look of the About page and no other page. If you want to have the same look for the Contact page, we would have to create a file just for the Contact page called page-contact.php. And then copy the contents of the file page-about.php into it. On some occasions, this is very useful. I myself use this technique a lot to create the home pages of my themes. But there is another way to create page templates much more flexible. This second technique allows us to create page templates that can be reused in as many pages as we want. But that's what I'm going to teach you in the next lesson. So stay tuned for the next one. Bye!